Hello, it's Larry Gaines, founder of Options on the Open. I will release my highly accurate four-step trading system, the Power Cycle Trading Model, along with some other holiday bonuses this Monday, the 4th of July. The prices and bonuses that you will receive will be your holiday surprise. It is my way of saying thank you for following me and happy 4th of July. So keep an eye on your email inbox, for this is a very special and limited time offer. You're going to be amazed at the price and what all you will receive. So if you hate to lose, you're going to love this system. So take some time and watch this video, and you will get an amazing preview of what the system has to offer, and you will learn about what you will get when you purchase this amazing new model. As a trader or investor, what is the fastest way to build wealth or compound your earning? The answer is that you need to be able to regularly participate in market moves that happen all the time, in one market or another, especially those big market moves that may happen only a few times a year. The trouble is that the markets are not a level playing field. Most traders or investors are not able to consistently rely on a way to identify which markets are on the brink of exploding, either to the upside or downside. All you hear is how these hedge funds made a fortune when the housing bubble collapsed or caught the major trend in commodities. John Paulson made $20 billion in 1 year off the collapse of the housing market, and George Soros made $2 billion in 1 day shorting the British pound. They are great traders and have developed their own secret trading edge. But what about all the other wannabe traders? What kind of trading edge can they have? Well, there is that trading edge that I'm going to make available to a select, limited number of traders and investors. With a lot of research and from years of trading experience and hours upon hours of research, I put together a trading model that is highly accurate and so very versatile because it is based on pricing cycles. It can be used across all asset classes, anything, it doesn't matter. Gold, silver, corn, soybean, stocks, ETFs, Forex. It works. And in this course, you'll learn to use this four-step trading model. It is an amazing, simple to use, four-step system that can be used to trade across all asset classes. This four-step trading system identifies new trends early in their development and then gives an entry trigger that gets you in at the very beginning of the new trend. The system takes the guessing out of trading, and you'll quickly start having more winning trades with bigger profits and very few losses. It takes a lot of stress out of your trading. It will pinpoint the big market movers before they happen in any asset class all year long. My goal is to share this amazing system with a limited number of committed traders or investors that want to improve their performance and get to that next level of making consistently great returns. So who am I to make this kind of offer, to share the trading model that I developed for all my trading? I started my career as an oil trader for Oscar Wyatt, legendary founder of the Coastal Corporation and one very shrewd businessman. This was my trading school where I was taught about refining oil, chartering oil tankers, eventually joining a very small group of international oil traders where I was cut loose to buy and sell millions of barrels of crude oil all over the world. Not only did I trade crude oil, but I traded jet fuel, gas oil, fuel oil, and other petroleum products throughout Asia. Next came along a very mysterious billionaire, Dutch international oil trader, John Duyss. He founded and ran a very secretive international trading organization out of Bermuda called Trans World Oil Limited, which at the time was the largest oil trading company in the world. John Duyss was my boss and mentor for 15 years. He appointed me executive vice president, and for over 10 years I ran his international trading and oil marketing group out of Bermuda. We were the private crude oil marketing arm for the country of Oman, and I was responsible for marketing a large percentage of their oil production and fuel oil for export. I put together the first Oman term crude oil contract with China and marketed this crude all over the world. My trading group was one of the first to trade options on cargoes of oil, and I personally traded billions of dollars of these derivatives. We were also the first company to use quantitative trading models for oil and other commodities and financial future markets, as well as all the commodities. and we traded billions of dollars in these markets. In early June, I made a minor modification to the day trading system, adding one more indicator, and the impact on performance has been dramatic. Now don't forget, June has been the most volatile trading month of 2011. And these are actual trades that were called out to our virtual trading room and ones that I took. So for June 2011, we had 144 trades, 110 winning trades, 34 losing, winning percentage 76%, cumulative percent return 204%, average percent profit per trade 1.42, and the largest gain on a trade was 9.71%. This is a summary of closed option trades that were held longer than one day. These trades are all directional option trades based on the power cycle trading model and were trades taken by me from October through June 2011. Total closed option positions or trades were 117 closed out, had 116 winners, 1 loser, 99% winning rate. The cumulative percent return of all these total was 1,500%. Average percent profit per trade 12.91, largest percent gain on a trade 92%, largest loser on that one loss was 50%. This trading system will allow you to narrow down the various asset classes and select those that are about to start making a new trend, and it does this with pinpoint accuracy. By following the simple rules, you will learn when to enter and exit your trades at the bottom and top of a pricing cycle. It will give you a powerful profit churning tool that will hand you freedom and fulfillment. It will have you work smarter and not harder. No more flying blind. The odds will now be in your favor. I use this amazing system for all of my trading, and I thought I'd start off by showing you the day trades that this system triggered on Friday, July the 1st. These are all trades that were triggered, and this is on a intraday day trading basis, and with a long filter that we were using. These are all the trades the system triggered. So I'm going to take you through step by step to show you just the entries. There's more involved with the exits, so I'll just show you the entries that the system triggered. First entry trigger was 8:50 a.m. Central on Apple. These are all longs, so you can see that. No equity drawdown. Second signal came around 10:10. You can see straight up no equity drawdown. Third came around 11:10. Straight up no equity drawdown. Fourth buy signal, long signal, came at 12 noon. Again, no equity drawdown. Fifth long signal, 12:40 Central. Again, no drawdown. Sixth came at 1:20 Central. No drawdown. At 1:50, another long entry, no drawdown. And the last trade came at 2:40. Again, no drawdown. So it's an amazing day on Friday. Not every day is quite this clear, but this was a fantastic uptrend, and the power cycle trading model kept picking off the perfect entry levels. Now the power cycle trading model, it works on all asset classes and across all the indexes. So what I'm going to show you next are all the various broad indexes on a daily basis. These are going to be various short and long entries that you'll see where the triggers were hit based on the system model. And so I'll start out with the Dow Jones Industrial. This is the daily, and here's the entry. This particular entry came on June the 17th. The long entry right here. Here's the S&P 500. The system went long on the 20th of June, right there. This is the NASDAQ 100, and the system went long on the 21st of June. This is the Russell 2000. The system went long on the 17th of June. Now I'm going to go through a lot of the industry leaders stocks, the leaders of their various industries, and the industry leaders, some of the big large cap stocks that I tend to trade, to show you how well the system does. So the first stock is one of my favorite to trade, is Apple. The last short it had was on the 7th of June right here. Nice pull down, and then it went long on the 23rd of June, straight up. Here's Amazon. The short came on the May the 13th, stayed short, went long here on June the 20th. Here's Baidu, a Chinese internet company. This one we trade a lot. It went short on June the 6th. System went long on June the 21st. Here's Netflix. The system went short on the 7th of June right here. Went long the 27th of June right there. Here's the big leader in its sector, Caterpillar. The short came here on June the 1st. The long came on June 20th. Not bad. Here's Joy Global. They're the leaders in mining equipment, and the short here came on June 13th. This is the last short, June 13th. It recently went long on June the 21st. Chipotle Mexican Grill system does great with this. Trade this a lot. The system went short this on June the 2nd, and then went long on June 21st, straight up. Potash, one of the industry leaders in agriculture fertilizers. The system went short June the 15th, went long on June the 27th. These are ETFs. This is OIH, the Oil Service Index. It went short on June the 6th, went long on June the 28th. This is the XLF. This is the financial ETF. It went short on June the 1st. It went long on June the 14th. This is the XLK, the technology ETF, and the system went short on June the 2nd and went long on June the 21st. This is the XLB. This is the materials ETF, and the system went short on June the 3rd and long on June the 22nd. This is the XLI. This is the industrial ETF, and the system went short on June the 1st, long on June the 16th. This is the TLT. It's an ETF for the 20-year Treasury bond, U.S. bonds, and the system went short on June the 2nd and is still holding short. This is the ETF for the FXE, or the euro currency. The system went short on June the 23rd here and just went long here on June the 28th. This is the actual crude futures contract. This is the August WTI NYMEX crude futures contract, and the system went short on June the 13th and it went long on June the 28th. Works great with crude oil, on crude oil. This is GLD, the gold ETF. The system is currently short, went short on June the 23rd and is still short. This is SLV, the silver futures ETF contract, and the system went short the 23rd. And just to let you know, the system also went short up here and bought down here. Now these will be some futures contracts. This is the corn futures, and the system went short here on June the 13th, and it is still, June the 15th, and it's still short. This is a soybean oil futures contract. The system went short on June the 7th and it's still short. And this is the wheat futures contract, and the system went short June the 1st. So I think you get the picture. I mean, we've got agricultural commodity stocks, our futures contracts going down, we have stocks going up. So you get to look at all the different asset classes, and if you focus on them, you can catch all the big moves. So I hope this gives you some great examples of what you're going to get from the power cycle trading model. So now let me tell you what you will receive. It's very important also that you know that 90% of trading success is determined by your mental and emotional control. If you're not in control of your emotions, you're doomed as a trader. The market does not care how you feel about the market. To be successful at trading or investing, it's your job to discover what the markets think and then put yourself in alignment with that. That is when the magic starts to happen. This is not difficult to do once you have the tools to use. By having a proven trading system that is highly accurate, you will take that emotion out of your trading and you will start to experience consistent profits and ongoing trading success. The Power Cycle Trading Model is a course. It's a 36-page full-color PDF manual detailing this highly accurate trading system. In this format, you can always find immediate answers to specific questions by simply typing in an appropriate word into the find box. And it's easy to use. You can print out specific pages and keep as a computer, cheat sheets. You'll get 14. You'll get this ebook, plus you'll get 14 videos with over 4 hours of course material. This is a list of the videos that you will receive with the course. You'll have an introduction and course review, indicators explained, setting up the indicators, price entry setup rules and trading examples, price exit rules and trailing stop profit stops, weekly pricing cycle screen that we use, another trendline indicator for breakouts that we use, trading strategies, how to use for long-term trend trading, examples using Baidu, Silver, OIH, examples of Apple, examples of weekly examples using Rovi and some other various stocks that we've traded, and trade examples for all asset classes, futures, contracts, and various futures and commodities. So plenty of examples, lots of videos, lots of things that you will learn step by step, very clear and precise. If nothing changes, nothing changes. For you to get different results in your life, you've got to do something different. So why not invest in yourself and learn how to build a life of financial independence? If you're ready and willing, I want to hand you a tool that will help you create this lifestyle. Don't put it off for another minute. You are definitely worth it. So keep an eye on your email inbox for the special offer that will come out on July the 4th, Monday, as a special holiday treat for all my followers. And I appreciate your time, and I look forward to answering any more questions that anybody has regarding this system.